Woke up early today morning to go and do the shoots for the amazing cafe racer that we are riding these days, the Thruxton R and the modern classic, the T120 Bonneville. Why it's not happening right now? Because of the torrential downpour that is taking place since morning. In fact, since last night. It's been raining quite a bit for the past couple of days.
Yesterday I was not sure whether my GoPro was recording because it was a new contraption, but I'm not sure whether my GoPro is recording audio or video because it got wet in the rain yesterday. But finally it recorded fine yesterday, and if it's recording well today, let's go and work out. Oh dang, let's go and play with the torque a little bit. Okay, let's go. I'm low on gas. Distance to empty, it shows 23 kilometers. I think I'll just go get some gas. $97 है यहाँ पे, तो क्यों बुला रहे हैं यहाँ पे फिर? Actually, when the roads are not really good, it's pretty bumpy. Despite having set the suspension at the softest possible. The weather doesn't look great over there, and that's the direction I'm headed in. The torque of this bike is so savage. I wonder what it'd be with the full racing kit. You know, it comes with a beautiful retro fairing and with Vincent Hines exhaust with which you can go on track. With the current setting, it easily crosses 180 even in the city. I wonder what it would be on straights or on track. Here comes the rain. Da, 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 da. So currently I'm caught in the rain, the bike's standing here, and I don't want to ride in the rain right now because I don't want my equipment and all to get damaged. I don't know if it already got damaged yesterday, but I'm just about to take all of it off. You know, pack it up with my camera bag here. I was riding through, well, it was not a torrential downpour, but it was a pretty heavy rain. You can see the bike is completely wet. That's my visor. I was looking through this to ride. But here, the roads are completely dry. I mean, the weather remains inclement, but it's not raining. I think I'll put my gear back on. The bike's got dirty a little bit. Yeah, I'll keep this on nonetheless. Till here, I rode in rain mode, but as I explained earlier, and I'll also explain in the full review that I'll be doing, that when it comes on, the default mode is road. So since it's not raining anymore, I'll put it back to sport mode. 6th gear, 2500 RPM, cruising at 80 kilometers an hour. Real pleasure. Now once again I'll stop here just to show you the acceleration. It's so much fun. The vehicle's coming here, but I'll go to a dead stop and just show it to you. Okay, here you go.